caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire. Changes when in love, I surround my soul with positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should. We keep close, we should never let go so tight.